everyone, this is Pharmacist Mom. This video is going to be about unboxing Vicks Children's VapoRub. I purchased this from Walmart for around $5.44 and it contains one ointment jar. It's great for kids who keeps coughing and it's for children of ages 2 and older. This is non-prescription over-the-counter chest rub ointment which relieves pain and irritation associated with cough. Here is the expiration date for this box. It says November 20. And let's flip over to the drug facts. Children's VapoRub is a combination of camphor and menthol, which are topical analgesics and cough suppressants, and eucalyptus oil, which helps with coughs. Camphor and menthol are mild analgesics, and they are also used for muscle ache, and it's contained in topical medications such as Bengay and Icy Hot. Here are the directions for use. As mentioned before, this is for children above 2 years old. Apply to chest and throat to relieve cough and throat irritation. When applied to muscles and joints, it can also be used to temporarily relieve muscle and joint pain. Let's start unboxing. Alright, here is the ointment jar. Looks like this. There's additional information, drug facts, and all the information that I stated before, and the expiration date here for this jar. It's fairly small. I can hold it with my hand, and let me open it. Here you go. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. It's not oily at all. It's just a little thick. Like this. Very smooth, like Vaseline. And the color is white and clear. Yeah, so I smelled it close and it smells like menthol. It smells like minty, so it'll be very helpful for kids who have stuffed nose or suffering from cough. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and thanks. See you later.